And what principle this washing machine is working on?
Centripetal force. Centripetal force and centrifugal.
Can you show me the centrifugal force there?
Water. In this place, water is.
No. Can you show me the centrifugal force there?
Then water. We need water.
Oh, we need water. Okay, very good, very good. Okay.
I tell centripetal force is F is equal to mv square by r. M is equal to mass of the cloth, v velocity of the cloth, r radius of the cloth. Then if a velocity increases, we need more centripetal force. If a water molecule don't get centripetal force, is go to force through this drum. Then they passes the molecules of dress, atom and molecules of dress. Then we clean the bath.